everyone, welcome back to 60 Thoughts. In this video lecture, we discuss one problem from one-dimensional random variable. Let us see one problem. If variance of x equal to 4, then find variance of 3x plus 8, where x is a random variable, which means we consider x is both discrete random variable, otherwise it is considered continuous random variable. The given problem is variance of capital X, that is equal to 4. So what is our target? We need to find variance of 3 plus 8, that is equal to what? So we know one important result, that is nothing but we know that variance of ax plus b, that is written as what? A square into variance of capital X. So using this result, I am going to find what is variance of 3x plus 8. Okay. So what is A value? A equal to 3 and B equal to what? 8. So use property. So we get variance of 3x plus 8, that is equal to what is A value? 3. Yeah. So 3 square means 9 into variance of. So what is variance of x value? That is given. But what? 4. So 9 into 4. What is 9 4s are 36. So therefore we can write this variance of 3x plus 8 equal to what? 36. Okay. So I hope you are enjoying this session. Thank you.